The third step of the sketching exercise is what we call Crazy 8's or Speedy 8's. It's a fun, fast-paced exercise that I always enjoy doing. The idea is very simple. Each person is to take their strongest idea and rapidly sketch 8 variations of it. So ask each team member to get a single piece of paper and fold it 3 times, so they have 8 panes. Something like this. Set a timer to 60 seconds. Hit start. You and your team should rush to sketch 1 variation of your best idea. The next minute, move on to the next pane and sketch another variation of the same idea. Be fast and messy. None of this will be shared with your teammates. Also, Crazy 8's are great with writing, especially if you write marketing headlines. The rapid iteration helps you improve that copy. If you feel that you exhausted all the variations, you can go on to your second best idea that was developed in the previous ideas exercise. After 8 minutes, each team member will have 8 different variations of their best idea. Something like this. The output from this Crazy 8's exercise will be of great use in the final step, the actual sketch. See you in the next video.